Welcome to my humble abode. Have a seat. Hey, so how are you?
Yeah, we are managing, still teaching Kizomba. But I must say you've made the right choice. It's exercise at the same time. It's a whole body therapy.
Really?
You've made the right choice.
So tell me, how long would it take for me to master the Kizomba?
It's very easy for ladies. Normally, you are at the receiving end. It's quite difficult for guys.
Really?
Very, very
I
difficult.
can't wait.
In a matter of 2 weeks, you should be fine.
So let's get started.
Right, let me fix my speakers.
Who is that? I don't know. But your mom seems to be all over him. Ma, who is that?
Who?
That man.
Oh, he's my Kizomba teacher.
Kizomba teacher.
Yeah, Pedro. He'll be coming twice in a week. You can join us.
Does Daddy know he's here?
Pure! That's none of your business.
Me? If
You are way out of line here. She doesn't need Daddy's permission to learn Kizomba.
Yeah, I'm ready.
anyway, I'll join them.
Me too.
Breathe in and out. Kizomba is a dance of soul and spirit. It strives on harmony, peace, and oneness. To be good at it, you have to tap in your inner soul, connect to your inner being, banish all negativity, be positive. This will allow you to take a perfect lead from the gentleman.
I have a dream. I am dreaming. I can see a handsome, well-built young man approaching. Yes. Oh, yes. He has lifted me up into his strong arms. Oh. Oh. Hey.
Such is the power of meditation.
Bagawaya.
Upapawaya.